आप लोग कर रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस? ओके, लेट्स
सर
मूव
कोशिश कर
फॉरवर्ड.
रहे हैं उसका।
Global settings, ledgers, and parallel valuation. Sorry, parallel accounting. Oh no, parallel valuation. Um, Basic settings define ledger. Okay, yes. Material ledger. Basic maintain currency and valuation profile for POP-G. POP-G. POP-G is there. Okay, it's there. Assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. G. PUBG is not there. Okay, controlling area was not made. Okay, okay, okay. So let's first make fields. Define field status variants. PUBG. Okay. Copy as PUBG. PUBG. Copy all. Save. Define field status variants. PUBG A. Okay. Assign company code. PUBG. Save. We'll study field status variants when we are onto the front end, when we reach that part. Okay, we reach that part. Okay, once this is done, field, fiscal year, and posting periods very important. Maintain, edit, assign company codes to a fiscal year variant. Okay. Um, K4. What is fiscal year variant? January, December. This will be your fiscal year for posting your entries in material management. Okay. This is important because this is financial area. You have to understand this. Okay, and posting periods. Okay, posting. Define variants. Um, PUBG. Save, save. Okay, assign to company code. PUBG, PUBG. Save, save. Open, close posting periods. Maintain all. 8842. Okay, copy as. Control Y. This symbol actually turns into your pointer turns into a plus sign. Select all, backspace. Now you can easily paste it. Okay, now what is plus ADKM? Okay, we need one more as well. Enter and new entries. This will be okay. Position PUBG and PUBG copy as S. Apply. Open and close. PUBG. Okay. M. Copy as S. Okay. Save. Save. Now, what is this basically? Plus ADKMS. Now, basically, plus means all of these sub modules like assets, D for customers, K for vendors, M for material, and S for GL accounts. All GL accounts, all material accounts, all vendor accounts, all customer accounts, all assets accounts, and all the range for all these accounts. The posting periods start from January to December of 2023, and 13 to 16 are special for adjustments at the end of the year for auditors, for closing entries at the end of the year. So we'll just change this to 4. Yeah. And Control Y, backspace, Control Y, Control Y, Control Y, enter and save. So now all of the 12 periods are open. Ideally, standard is to only open one period. That's it. And that is what the standard is. But this is, since this is a practice session, that's why. So adjustment months 13 to 16 of 2024. Okay, this is very, very important because you cannot proceed forward without this. Okay, next is very important, and that is enterprise structure, uh, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling. Now, what is controlling area? I'll tell you that in the next lecture. What is the hierarchy? What basically are we maintaining as a hierarchy over here? Okay, new entries. New entries will be controlling area is equal to company code. Company code is PUBG. Enter. Data in company code PUBG is not maintained. How? Why? 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 What data is not maintained? Assignment currency scaling chart of accounts are maintained. At least one of these things is not maintained. Complete data maintenance. Okay, currency. Okay, currency. Currency is not maintained, maybe. Okay, currency. Now, what is the financial accounting company code currency? Edit company code data. PUBG, PUBG. We have currency AED. Okay, we've already maintained that. But okay, one thing more. Company PUBG. We don't have a PUBG company. Okay. Uh, okay. PQR. Okay. One thing. Maybe in financial accounting global settings, we are missing the ledger settings. Maybe because of that, it's making this trouble. Define settings for ledgers and currency types. Yeah, currency types. This might be the reason. Okay. Leading ledger. Now, SAP has one leading ledger which has all the standard entries, general entries, one leading ledger. Other ledgers cannot actually replace leading ledgers. So one ledger which actually controls all of these. So there are like two types of ledger, standard and extension. Extension takes entries from the standard ledger. Extension is just an extension of the standard ledger. So any extension ledger over here that you see is taking entries from leading ledger. So why do we need extension? Extension is needed when if the currency for leading ledger is different than the reporting currency. Okay, so recording currency can be different from the reporting currency, or um, you also differentiate ledgers based on accounting standards. So this can be a different accounting standard, and this will be a different accounting standard. For that reason as well, you can also do that. Okay, so I have selected this one, company code settings, and company code settings will mean we actually go to PUBG. PUBG. Global currency is not there. Freely defined currency is not there. Double click. The January-December posting period variant PUBG accounting principle is gap. Functional currency is 10. This is the currency it was talking about. Save. Okay, that we are done with this. This was the currency type that it was actually mandating. Now comes in the enterprise structure, definition, uh, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area. I guess this must be too much for today. So I'll just make this one controlling areas company code PUBG continue. Data is company is not still maintained. Um, Fiscal year variant chart of accounts are maintained, already maintained. Okay, let's see if the chart of accounts are properly maintained or not. Okay, continue, cancel. Very strange. I mean, I am definition, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, assigned company, code to chart of accounts, position, PUBG. Oh, that's the reason. Chart of accounts was not there. PUBG does not exist. How come? Chart of accounts were made. Edit chart of accounts list. PUBG was not made. Oh, PUBG, PUBG, chart of accounts. That's the reason. English. 5, save, save. Okay, assign, PUBG, PUBG. Chart of account. Now, what are chart of accounts? Chart of accounts are basically group of accounts, collection of accounts. What accounts? GL accounts, which is part of financial accounting. Okay. So you actually make different accounts, different segments of accounts like this. And this is the backbone of the entire SAP. You actually make accounts for every part and department of your organization. And this is where all the secret actually lies. Copy as and PUBG, copy, Control Y, delete, enter. Okay, PUBG, enter. Now we are done. Save, save. Okay. So you have a chart of accounts now. You can integrate MM with FI very easily using this. Now we go back to definition, maintain controlling area. Now I think it shouldn't have any problem. Controlling area, PUBG. Okay, now it copies all of this. Now, but here the company code currency will not be used. Company controlling has a different setup, cross-company code. And chart of accounts is copying from company code. Fiscal variant is copying from company code. Financial statement version. What is the financial statement? We'll go into this later. Right now, let's just save this first. And since okay, so exchange rate type will be M. We'll discuss what is M. Source currency type. We don't want this. Anyways, we are done. Save. And that's all for today.